One of the most awaited smartphones of the year is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the next big thing in the Galaxy S lineup. Samsung has not confirmed anything yet, but there is a lot of buzz and speculation about what this device will offer. The device is rumored to have amazing hardware and software improvements, as well as some innovative AI features that are unheard of in the market. Here is everything we know about the S24 Ultra. The design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been leaked by SmartPrix in collaboration with OnLeaks. The leaked images are based on the 3D CAD renders of Samsung's next-generation flagship smartphone. From the looks of it, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks highly similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, featuring a boxy design with sharp corners and slightly curved sides. The South Korean firm doesn't seem to have used flat sides here as it will for the Galaxy S24. There are 4 cameras on the back in the same arrangement. A nearly identical rectangular shape with flat tops and bottoms and a lightly curved side frame. The front of the phone shows a flatter screen edge, noticeably less curved than the S23 Ultra. Samsung has reduced the bezels, and that the phone will have one of the narrowest bezels on a phone. They'll be symmetrical, which means that the bottom bezel will finally match the rest. Galaxy S24 Ultra will most likely come with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz display, similar to its predecessors. What's more, the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra use the same general display panel, so we kind of expect an upgrade with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Recent rumors suggest that Samsung might utilize a next-gen M13 OLED display panel, a thinner and more efficient panel in comparison with the M12 shape that is used on the Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 5/Galaxy Z Flip 5, as well as the upcoming iPhone 15 series. Most importantly, this panel would allow the Galaxy S24 Ultra to boast the record 2500 nit peak brightness. Similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Pixel 8 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will also have an extremely high, eye-scorching brightness, on par with most flagship phones in late 2023. Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is expected to offer a significant performance boost over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Early leaks suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will have a single Cortex-X4 core clocked at 3 GHz, 3 Cortex-A720 cores clocked at 15 GHz, 2 Cortex-A720 cores clocked at 96 GHz, and 2 Cortex-A520 cores clocked at 27 GHz. These impressive clock speeds should translate into significant performance gains for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In Geekbench 6 benchmark tests, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to score around 2,200 in the single-core test and around 6,700 in the multi-core test. This compares to scores of around 1,900 and 5,100 for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, respectively. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is also expected to see a significant improvement in GPU performance. The phone is rumored to be equipped with the Adreno 750 GPU, which is expected to be up to 85% faster than the Adreno 740 GPU found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This improved GPU performance should make the Galaxy S24 Ultra a great choice for gamers and other users who demand high-performance graphics. The phone should be able to handle even the most demanding games and graphics-intensive applications with ease. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series phones have offered a dedicated 10MP telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom over the past 3 years. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra have a maximum of 10x optical zoom. However, Samsung might bring down that number, making its decision confusing. Tipster Ice Universe claims the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It also reportedly features a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. If that is the case, we could see a downgrade from 10x optical zoom to 5x optical zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The tipster claims the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 50MP telephoto camera uses a second January 1950 2-inch sensor with 0.7 UM pixels. That's similar to the telephoto camera found on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. However, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra uses the same sensor for its 3.2x optical zoom camera. It means Samsung might no longer have the edge regarding zoom performance. However, it would only be fair to wait until the Galaxy S24 Ultra launches and check out its performance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature a 200MP ISOCELL HP2X primary camera sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 12MP selfie camera. The forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is poised to revolutionize the smartphone landscape with its groundbreaking AI capabilities. As Samsung's first generative AI phone, the S24 Ultra will empower users with a suite of innovative AI-powered features, ushering in a new era of intelligent mobile interaction. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the S24 Ultra will introduce a suite of groundbreaking AI features, including text-to-image generation, enhanced speech-to-text functionality, and more human-like interactions with Bixby. The S24 Ultra will also elevate mobile photography with AI-powered video features such as object tracking, simultaneous cropped and full-angle recording, and end-to-end AI mosaic image capture. Furthering its commitment to seamless communication, the S24 Ultra will introduce Live AI translations, enabling real-time audio and text translations during phone calls. These AI advancements position the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a transformative device that redefines user interaction and unlocks new frontiers of creativity and productivity.